everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice problem fascinating number. First we would understand what is the meaning of fascinating number and then we would solve the question. So let's start. Basically, for understanding fascinating numbers we would take an example. My example is n is 139. Okay, step number 1 is that I have a value given, right? This value basically should be greater than 3 digits or equal to 3 digits. I cannot consider a 2-digit value like not 29, 39. That cannot be considered. The value should have 3 digits or more than 3 digits. This is the first condition. Okay. Next, let's move forward. Now, for checking if a number is a fascinating number or not, you need to perform various calculations. So let's see what are those. First step is you need to multiply this number by 2. So let's multiply it. 139 into 2 would be 18. This would be 6, 7, 278. Okay. After multiplying it by 2, you need to multiply the same number by 3. So this time it would be 139 into 3, that is 27. This is 9, this is 11. Okay. Then it is 4 and 5. So it is 517. Now I have 3 values. First is the original number. Second is the number which I got after multiplication by 2. And third is the value which I got after multiplication with 3. Okay. Now the next step is you need to concatenate all these values. Okay. You need to concatenate all these 3 values together. So basically I need to add, okay. So I need to concatenate all these 3 values. So let's do it. So what would I get? I would get 139. Concatenation means joining. Then 278 and finally 517. Okay. So this is the new value that I am getting. Okay. Now let me clean the screen a little bit. Okay. 1 minute. So I hope till now everything is clear to you guys. Okay. This is the first part. Now I need to check if the number, the initial number 139 is fascinating or not, right? Right now I have this, this long answer. So what to do with this? I need to compare this with the given list and check if it contains all the elements mentioned in the list. Okay. So basically that list with which I have to check it is, 1 moment, let me clean it a little. Okay. So basically I need to check it with a list that contains all the digits from 1 to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to check if the answer that I am getting, does it contain all the digits from 1 to 9 including 1 and 9. Okay. So let's check it. Okay. First I need to check, is 1 present? Yes, 1 is present. Is 2 present? Yes, 2 is present. 3? Okay, 3 is here. Now see, I do not have 4 in this, right? 4 is missing over here. Because 4 is missing, that means this number, the initial number 139 is not fascinating. Okay. This is not fascinating. So this is the entire concept. Multiply the number by 2 and 3. Concatenate the 3 values. Check if the answer contains all the digits from 1 to 9 or not. If it contains all the digits, then it is a fascinating number. Otherwise, it is not. So I hope this is clear to you. So like this, we need to solve the question. A very important reminder, you cannot concatenate an integer value. You need to convert the result, that result that I am getting from multiplication. I need to convert that result into string value so that I can concatenate all the 3 values. Okay. Remember that point. Now let's solve the question. So what you need to do is, you need to go to practice portal. In practice portal, in difficulty, you need to choose school. After that, you need to find the problem fascinating number. Okay. So now let's solve it. 1 minute. Okay. Here is the question. Let's read it. Given a number n, your task is to check whether the number is fascinating or not. Fascinating number. When a number should contain 3 digits or more, is multiplied by 2 and 3, and when both these products are concatenated with the original number, then it results in all digits from 1 to 9 present exactly once. Okay, only once. That it means that 2 cannot come twice. Okay, all the digits should just be present one time. So I hope it is clear to you, and now we would start coding from here. Okay, so let's start. So basically the first step would be, I need to convert the initial value, initial number, the value for which I am checking if it is a fascinating number or not, into string. Okay, so n. The next step would be, I need to multiply it with 2 and 3, right? So it is num and it would be string again. Basically I am multiplying n star 2, right? Basically 2 or 3, let's go with 3 first. Then the next value would be multiplication with 2. So str n star 2. Okay. Now I have 3 values and I need to concatenate all the 3 values together, right? So let's concatenate. B equal to A plus num plus num1. Okay, so over here I have already done, the conversion, the type conversion, and now I have 3 string values, so I am concatenating them together over here. Okay, so I hope this much is clear. Now let's move forward to check if it contains all, all the digits from 1 to 9 exactly once or not. Okay, so let's do it. Now next step would be, I would create a blank list. Okay, after creating the list, I would add all these elements of B in that list. Okay, so let me do that. LST and then square brackets, then I would start colon and 0, then equal to B, adding all the elements of B into the list. Okay, next I would sort this list out. Okay, so that it's easy for me to check, right? Next I would create another list from which I need to check if all the digits from 1 to 9 are present or not. So it would be list 2 or list, yeah, you can take list 1 over here. Next I need to write the value, so it would be 1, 2, 3. One moment, I made a mistake here. Then 4, then 5, then I need to add 6, then I need to add 7, then I need to add 8, then 9. Okay, now I added all the digits from 1 to 9. Now I just need to compare both the lists together, right? So let's do it. If LST is the list which contains our answer, right, is equal to LST1, right? So then return true, else we would return false, right? Else return false. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. One moment, let me make this F capital. Okay, so now after doing this, we need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. So let's wait. So the compilation is done and my output is facing some issues. So let me check, where did I make a mistake? Okay, so it should be fascinating, and for me it is coming not fascinating, right? So let me check that. One moment. So basically I had a list, then I converted the list. Okay, very good. A plus num plus 1, then list, then after list I did 0, and then I added it to B. Then I sorted the list. One moment, I forgot to sort it properly. The function was not completed. Now compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is done and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the answer. Let's wait. It's checking for all the test cases. The problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the question. Fascinating number. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.